Bonjour, je m'appelle Melona Estrada. J'ai 21 ans, né le 25 2002. J'habite à Ulingan de Polog City. Je suis étudiante en VSHM. Mes passe-temps sont regarder these films et écouter de la musique. Five things that I want to discover in France are their cultures, traditions, cuisines, language, and also their landscape. In the movies about Ratatouille, the film highlights the role of family support and the passing down of culinary knowledge, emphasizing the importance of tradition. Additionally, Ratatouille emphasizes that cooking is not just about nourishment, but also a form of artistic expression and storytelling. Overall, the movie offers an enjoyable and insightful glimpse into a French culture and values. C'est tout, merci. Au revoir.